Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Ignore my room. I got a new mattress topper. If you guys don't have like mattress toppers on your bed, first off, you need to get them right now. It's not even what this vlog is about, but they're so comfortable. They've changed your entire sleeping experience. Like, I'm literally melting into this. I'm not supposed to be sitting in this because it's supposed to be like deflating from the packaging, but today is a Monday. It's like 4:30 right now. I filmed all day with Olivia and now I am getting my life back together. I just mopped and cleaned my entire house and I am hosting family dinner night tonight, which I wanted to vlog for you guys because I wanted to show you guys the prep, how I do it. Like, I love like hosting and stuff like this. It's like so fun for me. Slash, I'm going to be completing my little breakfast nook area as well. So I really wanted to do that. I have my dress that I think I'm wearing tonight out already. And yeah, I am just currently cleaning up, getting ready, and I'm really excited. If you guys like this vlog, be sure to subscribe. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me through the entire process. Sav is coming over and she is going to help me cook and grocery shop and all that stuff. It is really hot and I've just been on the go like all day. So I am like trying to just get ready, you know? All right guys, also Milk Bar made a delivery to my house today, which was so cute. So they have some new stuff out and they wanted me to try it, which is perfect for family game night. When they emailed me, they're like, when would you like us to deliver? And I was like, oh my gosh, Monday, because it's family game night. So we have these caramel grapefruit fruit snaps. Oh my gosh. This really cute little note from them. I'm really excited for their little spring treats. So we will be having these for dessert. These little lemon cake truffles, and then some more lemon cake truffles. So thank you so much to Milk Bar. Their stuff is so good, guys. I don't know if they have it other than LA, but like Milk Bar is just so incredible. So I'm so excited for these. Okay, my new chairs are here and the rug is here. So we're gonna finish this little area and get it very, very cute for game night. I cannot wait. Here is the before of this room. Nothing too crazy. It's actually very boring and I really don't like it. And then we will get to the after. Okay, so the rug is way smaller than I thought, so I'm probably gonna replace it, but I oddly kind of like it under there. It looks a little bit different in person, but these chairs, like this just looks so much better. Oh my God. These chairs are just green velvet chairs. I got them on Amazon, a set of 4 for $180, and like that's actually a really good deal, especially for like kitchen table chairs. So it looks really cute. I have like cleaning products right here, but I'm very happy with this and I'm getting more rugs this week. So we'll see what I like keep and move, but it looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just did my hair. I curled it with my dry bar 3-day bender. I accidentally left my like $15 curling iron that I have that I'm obsessed with, that I always talk about, in Texas. And so I've been having to use this, but it's really good like second day curls. These are just like way tighter, and if you curl from at the very top, you can get it to look very beachy. But I changed into this outfit. I just have some Madewell jeans on, and then this top is from Princess Polly, I believe. Oh, I have like deodorant on it, but that's annoying. I'm gonna put a necklace on, and then I have my earrings. We're gonna go grocery shopping in a sec for family dinner, and I'll update you guys. Also, like, look at how long my hair is. Sub, do you see this? My hair is so long.
I know. I told you.
Whoa! Who knew? Okay, also, look, I got all these Madewell jeans. Well, first off, very exciting news. A rug for under the couch is coming this week. But I got all these Madewell jeans and they're literally like the best quality, comfiest jeans ever. But I got them too big, which is really upsetting, and I washed them and they were sent to me, so it's not like I can return. Here we are. But guys, look at look at how cute this is. I actually kind of like this smaller rug in here. And I feel like it's gonna get less dirty. I don't know why I kind of like it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Coconut is a big fan. And like, ignore this. But this whole little thing, oh, it's so great. Love this. I don't know if I want that there. Someone put that there, but very cute. And the most important part of family dinner night, besides the food, is the game and the voting game. I'll talk about this later. It's literally the best thing ever. We're going to Vaughn's. It is currently 6:11 and the boys are coming over at 8:30. So we're grocery shopping. We're gonna make pasta. We call this the John and Vinny's pasta. Sav made it and now we're making it for family dinner.
Tell me why we're going to get a cart and Kenzie goes, these are ugly.
I didn't say it like that. But I did say they're ugly. But you like, look, they're like not cute. Would you say that's a cute cart? Like Trader Joe's?
I was gonna say.
Yeah, literally. Trader Joe's is right there, but it just doesn't have everything we need. And they're cute and red, so not this one. Sorry, Vaughn's. Duh, 1 pint is 2 cups. Everyone knows that. Come on.
You literally
We're in
just
college.
you did the triangles. You said queen. I don't know what that
If
means.
anyone knows, okay, like, no. When you do, okay, when you're like doing that, whatever, in like 3rd grade, they taught us it was like a castle, and then it was like queen, and then in each one there was like a P in it, and then there's, whatever.
I went to school in Vegas.
So, we're currently grocery shopping. We are making John and Vinny's is our favorite restaurant. Oh, perfect. We really saw me so hard I was crying, but John and Vinny's is our favorite restaurant, and we love this like vodka pasta. So Sav has made it in Vegas when she was home, so now we're making it a family dinner like I was saying. And this Vaughn's is honestly weird because things are just not where you would think that they would be.
No.
It honestly is set up very weird. Like I like going to Trader Joe's better.
Let's go this way.
Big Trader Joe's gal. They have all the Happy Mother's Day stuff. Starbucks is very cute, like tumbler cups right now. Really into this. Love this. Okay, we just got all of our groceries. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Ow. This is gonna be a really great night. So we're having, it's 6 of us, no, it's 5 of us, including me. And total it was $60, so that's actually very great. And we're probably gonna have, actually we're definitely not gonna have leftovers with the boys.
No.
They eat so much food. Woo! Perfect. Sav is dragging me to Urban.
Yep.
Against my will for literally no reason. We need to be cooking by like 7:15.
Okay.
You have 10 minutes in there.
It really does not take long, Kenzie. I promise you. It's like literally the quickest thing you'll ever make. Again, look at how cute and perfect my little breakfast nook area looks. What do you guys think I should add? There's this just needs to be this needs to be thrown away. There's just random stuff here, but it looks so freaking cute. So here we have a bunch of stuff. That's actually trash. We only have 2 bags of stuff. Here we go. Okay, so we're starting with the pasta. I'm in so much pain, but I'm rallying through. So this is gonna be great. Yeah, they're in that circular thing. So I'm currently chopping up some parsley. We're just being very domestic, you know, it's very exciting. Okay, so I just like don't think that this knife really did anything, and I want all my cutting boards. All my cutting boards have gone missing. Like literally half of my kitchen supplies, even though I'm aware I just bought like all new things. All of it has gone missing. Sorry, I got a little bit too excited. Okay, so I realized that I'm a chef, which I already knew this before. What? My nose is running like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer right now. It really is.
Like, why? Okay, so we're cooking, but everything right here looks amazing. So we do family dinner night and game night together, and we just sit here. That's why I was working on this breakfast nook, because we just have been sitting here a lot lately, and it's so cute, and it's just so nice having like dinners and stuff and having friends come over. So this game Taylor King showed me it a while ago, and we've been playing it a lot lately. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have probably seen the stories, the voting game. So basically, this is literally like the most fun game ever. You have like, okay, let's say you get this card, and it's like who would be the most willing to share their short search history with the group, and each person has like a number card. So it's like that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you all like vote secretly for the person, and whoever wins like gets the card. But they're so funny. So we've done like so many of these that I also got an expansion pack. So it's like who can you find naked on the internet, like stupid ones like that, but whose kids will need the most therapy. Like a lot of them are just really funny. I'll have it linked down below, but this is like my favorite family dinner game night. But I have the candles going, we have music playing. I'm gonna use my Echo and play it throughout the house. I have some more candles burning. And it's just a very good vibe, guys. Love this. Looks amazing. I also have cameras out, so I have my disposable. I actually have an entire Instagram for like photos that I get developed on here that I don't like post anywhere. So if you guys want to follow it, I'll have it linked down below. And then my end stacks, and then I have some film because I have this smaller one too. I wish it was white because it doesn't look cute, so I'll put it over here. Oh, and we also have the milk bar desserts that we'll have later on through the night. So I'm gonna put these in the, actually, no, I'm gonna keep them over here. Guys, it's over. I just put everything away. It's currently like 1 a.m. I am so freaking tired. Oh my gosh. Time to blow the candles out. Good morning, everyone. It is currently like almost 9:15. It is Tuesday morning. And I am about to go work out. I have my gym bag and my purse here. I'm gonna take a class at Orange Theory, and then I'm gonna shower there, come back, and I'm gonna film, and it's gonna be a productive day. I just like made my to-do list, planned out the last details of the videos that I'm filming today, and I am ready. So yeah, family dinner last night was so much fun. I originally planned for that to be one vlog, but like I didn't get enough footage. It's really hard for me to vlog while I'm cooking and while I'm in the kitchen. And while there's like a bunch of other people here, it was just like difficult. But I hope that was helpful. It was so fun. If you guys want like a very, very detailed video on what I do and stuff like that, let me know and I will definitely do that. But yeah, we're gonna head off to Orange Theory and I will talk to you guys after. So here's what I'm wearing today. Lulu, Dolls Kill. I have a Forever 21 sports bra underneath. Juicy, my purse. Okay, I'm heading in to Orange Theory. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired, but it's gonna be fun. Finished my workout and showered. It was really good. Oh gosh. Okay. So I showered and I'm done with my workout. I am going to I'm in the Starbucks drive-thru. I'm gonna get a cold brew just because I have so much to do today and I need to. What can I get you? Oh my gosh, I need to be crazy. Hi, how are you?
Good, what can I get going for you?
Can I have a grande nitro cold brew with coconut milk, please?
Yeah, anything else?
That's it.
Cool, I'll have that for you at the window.
Thank you. On days that I'm like working from home and just need to get a lot of stuff done, I really like getting like a cold brew or something that like really wakes me up and makes me crazy. But I'm also listening to a new podcast right now. It's called A Friend of a Friend. It's like brand new and I really like it so far. But I'm going to go home and then I'm gonna get my brows done and then I'm gonna get ready and start filming. So it's gonna be a good day. Also, I just realized my voice is gone and I have to film 3 videos. That's not gonna be good, not good at all. Perfect. Thank you, no thank you. Love it. Guys, okay, look at how cool this is. So I just went to my Instagram mentions and so many of you guys and just random people are tagging me in this. There's a Forbes article that just came out with Dear Media and there's my podcast. So I'm in Forbes, which is really cool. I mean, it's not like about my podcast, it's about Dear Media, which is like where I go all the time, my favorite people in the entire world. They do my podcast, love them, like literally the coolest thing ever. But like actually guys, that is so cool. That literally made my entire day. That is so freaking cool. So we made it in Forbes and there's me. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay guys, I'm in such a good mood because I'm in Forbes, which is so cool. I keep texting my friends. Here's my one-liner so far for being in Forbes. Sorry to my haters, sorry that you ain't me. What else? I said something else too, that was funny. Sorry, can't talk, too busy being in Forbes. It's really getting to my head. It's not even about me, but you know, it's pretty cool. And then Forbes people only date Forbes people. I'm really kidding, but it's funny. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. I've been doing a very, very easy, simple, no makeup look. Like there's not really much makeup. I know I've talked about this and how I don't love it as much, but I still do like it because I like that it like blurs out my skin. I have this one breakout right here that's like really bothering me, and I also just got my eyebrows waxed, so like my skin's a little bit red, so probably should have waited a second. But I wanted to show you guys my really quick like 3-minute makeup. I don't even think it takes 3 minutes, honestly. I'm drinking my nitro cold brew, and I haven't even had breakfast, so I should probably not be drinking this right now. Guys, I'm in Forbes. This is pretty cool. Anyways, tiger grass cream. I put this all over my face. Oh my gosh, sorry. I put this all over my face. I feel like I love that it's like a very deep moisturizing product for my face, but it isn't. I don't know, like I honestly really love the feeling of it. I just don't feel like it cancels out my redness as well as the tub. So I still really like this, and I really like it as like my base with my no makeup because I'm not wearing any like any face makeup basically, like foundation or anything. So I really like this, but if you're someone who struggles with redness, I will have that like jar link down below. Get it, it's worth the money. I think it's like $40–50, but like it will completely cancel out your redness. Here's the thing though, I am the palest I've ever been, and I'm kind of into it right now, but I'm just waiting for my self tanner to come in the mail. So when I'm pale, it's really good to use that jar because it just completely blurs out your pores. Like it looks amazing and it completely gets rid of the redness. But when I'm tan, it doesn't work as well. I feel like it works better when I'm pale than when I'm tan. So you guys, if that helps you at all. I brush out my brows. June, June, June. I'm in Forbes. What are my other funny things? I have like one day to be like obnoxious and annoying about it, so I'm already working on that, don't worry. I texted Sav, I texted Ryan, I texted Dom, I texted my mom. I think I might make my Instagram bio shout out to my haters, sorry that you ain't me. Also, okay, so Joe is back to shooting. It's literally the best thing that ever happened. Oh my god, he's like serious. So I sent him this photo of Bella Hadid because we always send photos as like inspo, and I was like, where do we get a horse? Like this is literally, this is the photo, like that. Like I'm joking, we can't do that. And then he goes, oh my god, in all caps, maybe Pasadena. Okay, let's go. So I guess we're gonna do that now. I'm gonna take this concealer. I'm not obsessed with it. I need a better concealer for like my no makeup look, so if anyone has it, let me know. Oh, this is like not even the right, good. But just like, I totally forgot I wanted to put a serum on. I just said that very quickly. Okay, the concealer looks so yellow on camera, but not in real life. Well, maybe because my eyebrows are so red. Why did I do this right now? These are very good questions. It's gonna calm down and look fine. I promise. I'm gonna use my Hourglass Ambience powder. Now I'm gonna bronze up my face. Okay, a little bit of bronzer, and then I'm just gonna put on some mascara and call it a day. It's a very simple, easy thing. It literally takes me 2 minutes. And that is it. That is all I've really been doing. I really hate this concealer, so I need a different one. Comment down below what I should get. But it's gonna look less crazy as my skin dies down, but I'm in Forbes, so I have to go. Okay, so I just made myself some brunch basically. I have an avocado and some eggs. I'm gonna set my nitro cold brew. I'm gonna watch a vlog and get ready to film. I have everything pretty much prepped. Kind of just waiting for my hair to dry. And then I'm gonna set up and film and get some stuff done. I'm gonna film 3 videos, like sit down videos that aren't vlogs, so that I have them ready to go for this week and next week. And I'm just gonna get a lot done, so I'm really excited. All right, I'm getting ready to film. I'm doing a current obsessions video first, so this is what it looks like. These videos are so hard to film, so much stuff. I just made the most incredible looking salad. I am so proud of myself. Wow, this is very good for me. Okay guys, it's 5:53. I've refilled this 15 times. I've been working on my computer, setting up stuff. I've been editing, I got a vlog up. I finished editing yesterday's vlog. I booked so many podcast guests. I'm so excited. Like, it was just a very productive day. I think it's because now I'm in Forbes. So, no, it was just really good and I got a lot done. I'm gonna keep working. Dom's gonna come over and spend the night later. Probably like not until like 9 or something, and it's currently 6. I haven't watched This Is Us in a second. Like, it's been a few days because I got a new TV. Oh, I also have a new whiteboard. I don't know what to do. I also want to read a book. I don't know. We'll see. I also probably should take Coco on a walk. There's some things that we need to get done. And do laundry. So here we are, you know? There's always something. Also, these candles from Target smell incredible. Joe even like walked by and was like, they smell so good. So if you guys are ever in Target, check them out.